Hi, today I'm going to ride electrical scooter across Tallinn streets and then probably going to do a little walk the forest. It's almost springtime as tomorrow it will be the official start of spring. The sun is already rising quite early, about half an hour after 6, and the sunset is about half an hour past 6 in the evening. So it will be quite a nice full day of sunshine today. Currently riding in Pirita promenade. It's quite packed today, and I saw even some accidents happen in the road, so you need to be quite careful while riding here. Actually, the other side of the car road is also pedestrian and bicycle lane, so there seems to be less people there. And now I'm in Pirita beach. Usually this volleyball area is packed of people even in the winter time. In evenings, in summer, in early morning, there's always people. So if you want to play, you can go and ask to join. There's always people basically. They made a nice pathway to this beach forest now. Before the road was very bad condition. And now I came to the forest to look for early flowers like I don't know the English names to it or Latin names, but in Estonia they are called lumikelluke and sinilill. Also sinililia is a common one to see in early spring. The forest is slowly getting more greener. the leaves are starting to come and grass is little bit growing already. In the forest it's a bit darker and the things won't grow as fast as in a very sunny and wind quiet place. There is a swan there, and we found the sinilil flowers. Water is so red here. Now I am arriving to Habneme beach. This one is usually more quieter than Pirita one because it's more far away from the city center. It has also a strip of sand, but it also has like stones, and even on the sandy part, the inside of the water there's still stones, but you cannot see. So you need to be a bit careful not to hit your leg against it. This plant is called jänesekapsas. Thank you for watching today's video. See you on the next one.